In this video, we will be talking about how you can use this fresh new website to earn hundreds of dollars from anywhere in the world for free. And yes, you can get compensated by PayPal as well. Everything in this video will be shown to you step by step. So by the end of this video, you'll have everything ready and all up for you to start making some passive income every single day using this brand new tool called Jeffrey. And you won't have to spend any money on it since it's all free. And there's another way you will use Jeffrey to generate passive revenue. But first, hello and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online. Please give this video a big thumbs up and leave us a comment down below. We reply to every one of our viewers. Now let's get into the video. So go ahead and visit the website tiktok.tryjeffrey.com. This is a tool that will help you gain genuine TikTok followers. It will automatically build your TikTok account with real engagement and real followers, but don't worry, you don't have to film any videos for TikTok and you don't even need to have a TikTok account. You don't even need to create one. So even if your TikTok is not available in your country, this will still work for you because you don't have to sign up for TikTok. You can just go to tiktok.tryjeffrey.com and look around. This is a tool that can help you generate genuine followers and engagement. It provides a dashboard with data so you can track your progress. A gorgeous dashboard displays the performance and the results, allowing you to examine and enhance your TikTok account every month. You can do this for free, and it includes smart targeting, which allows you to target communities of other accounts, which means you can locate targeted people who are interested in that certain area that you're trying to provide. So if you're attempting to create a TikTok account centered on football, you can actually target a certain audience that is similarly interested in football and refer them to your account, allowing yourself to build your account with genuine targeted followers. Since its creation, Jeffrey has prioritized security, so it's completely secure and you can link and grow numerous accounts at the same time. And as a result of that, there's a lot to learn on their homepage. And that is just what you will do. So the first step is to visit tiktok.tryjeffrey.com. You can learn more about Jeffrey's tool and their price plans by visiting their website. But once again, like I said before, you will not be paying for anything. Moving on to step number 2, you can begin using one feature of this website that will allow you to make money without ever spending anything. All you have to do is scroll down to the bottom of the website and click here where it says affiliate program. And I want you to click on that. Their affiliate program will pay you 25% of all the expenses of the customer you'll bring to Jeffrey. If you suggest someone and they spend $1,000 on Jeffrey to develop their TikTok account, for example, you will receive $250 entirely free as a thank you from referring them. And I'll show you how to refer thousands of people who are interested in raising their TikTok accounts. You can earn hundreds of dollars per day on a semi-automated basis. Yes, you will be paid via PayPal. TikTok has over 1 billion monthly active users. Therefore, you can potentially reach over 1 billion people that are eager in developing their TikTok accounts. And keep in mind that you will never be required to sign up to TikTok yourself. So it does not matter whether TikTok is available or not in your country because you're not required to join them. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell. Now let's carry on. So for step number 2, you gotta put your email address, make a password, retype it, and click this button here that says I agree with the conditions of use, and then click create my account. This is how it will look once you have signed up for their affiliate program. You will be welcomed into their affiliate program immediately, and you will not have to wait for hours, days, weeks, or even months to be verified. You're accepted right away and you can start earning money right away. So this is the dashboard where you can keep track of your earnings. For the time being, it will say €0 because it is a brand new account that we just created 2 seconds ago. But that is about to change. The minimum payout in this website is €50, about like $60. So once you have $60, you can withdraw them immediately to your PayPal account and spend them on whatever you choose. Step number 3 will be straightforward and quick. All you have to do is copy your unique affiliate link, which can be found right here. Simply click on the copy button and you're ready to share it with others. And if someone joins Jeffrey from that link, you'll get a quarter of what they spend. So if someone spends $1,000, you will earn $250. If someone spends $10,000, you will earn $2,500. So imagine if you refer 10,000 people, each of them spend only $100. You can do the math. That will get you paid a lot of money. Step 4 will include 2 distinct traffic sources that you can use to attract people to sign up for your affiliate link. And though the first traffic source will be easier, it will not provide as many affiliates as possible. And it will not generate you as much money as the second traffic source I'm going to show you. They are, however, both free. The first one is Answers.com. It is a website where a lot of people gather to ask and answer questions about a wide range of topics. And one of the best things about Answers.com is that it is not only visited by millions of people, but it also ranks higher on Google, which means that anytime someone types a question into Google, some responses from Answers.com will appear, and the replies from this platform will be available to anyone. And as a result, anytime someone searches for a specific question, something from our website will appear. All you have to do is sign up for free. You can do so right now by clicking this button, which will help you create an account in less than 60 seconds. Then just go to the search box and type in questions like how to grow on TikTok, how to gain more TikTok followers, or even how to obtain better engagement on TikTok, and so on and so forth. You can also use a variety of alternative keywords. What you want to do is target a certain set of people who are interested in increasing the size of their TikTok accounts. So I'm going to look for tips on how to grow on TikTok, and that will provide us with a lot of different questions that have been asked. As an example, look at this question right here. So what you can do is open up this question and tell them that you've discovered a tool that will let them grow organically and hands-free. That means autopilot. You can also tell them that you discovered a tool that will do all of the work for them in terms of growing their TikTok accounts with real and targeted followers. And at the end of your reply, simply leave your affiliate link, or even better, if you can first provide some value by going to Google, then you can use TikTok to look for new recommendations on how to grow. Just put that in there, and at the bottom of your response, simply inform them that if they want to automate the entire process, they can use this application that will do the work for them, and simply insert your affiliate link. This is ideal because your responses will now remain at the top, and all of the upcoming folks who actually are interested in growing will be able to look at your answer and see it. And if they think that it's a valuable answer, they will read it and see your recommendation. Another option is to create 2 accounts on Answers.com, then use one to ask a question and then log into your second account to answer that question for the first one that you've made. According to SimilarWeb, Answers.com gets like 7 million monthly visitors, and that's quite similar to Quora.com, which you can also use to maximize your results. It's essentially the same method. Quora is accessed by approximately 500 million users monthly. This means that you will be able to reach a larger number of individuals through Quora. So you can basically use Quora in the same way we used Answer.com. You can look for people that are interested in growing on TikTok and provide them with the added value of sending them a platform that can actually do the job for them, which is the first website we talked about in this video. That's basically how this method works, and that brings us to the end of today's video. Before we go, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be updated whenever we post new content on our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment down below, and as always, I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video. Take care.